Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. What we have for this video, I am like 90% sure that this is my Boxycharm premium box because I am waiting for my Boxy Luxe box, but I think this one here is my Boxycharm premium box. What we have for this one, I was surprised about how light this box actually is. So I don't know what we have in here, but for those of you that don't know about this box is $35 a month. It is a second option that you could add on to your current Boxycharm subscription. So this is a second box, so you get your base box and then you get a premium box. So this one is $35. You are set to get, I believe, 5 to 6 full-size items in this box, and it is said to be worth at least, I think, $200. So we are paying $35. This box has been actually pretty good the last months. So let's see what we have in here for this month. Ooh, okay. So this box here, this is our little paper and it says Boxycharm, and then it has the EXO in collaboration with Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. I have actually never tried any of the Fenty products, so I'm super excited for what we have in here. It is all Fenty stuff, OMG. Okay, so what should I start with? I'll start with this little one. So what we have here, it is a plush matte lipstick in the shade Mademoiselle. It just says all day color intensity, weightless matte finish. So that is the packaging there. Let's see what color that actually is. Oh, actually the color is Clapback, not Mademoiselle. I don't know why that's there. I love the packaging. It's really, really pretty. So that is what that looks like. And oh, I was hoping I didn't get this color. So it's actually a blue lipstick. I'm gonna swatch it. I swatched red lipstick earlier and it didn't want to completely come off. So I'm going to swatch it here on the side. I got a dark blue lipstick. I know I'm not going to use, I shouldn't have swatched it, but that is the shade. It's a dark blue lipstick. I know I'm not going to use this color. So I don't know. I don't know. But that is the first item. Next up, I'm going to grab this one here. It says Match Stick Shimmer Skin Stick. So that is that packaging there. And this one is in the shade Unicorn. So this is it here. Again, I like the packaging. I like all of the angles. And so that is what that looks like. It is a purple, like a lavender lilac kind of color. And it's a highlighter. That's actually really pretty. I don't know if I would wear a highlighter this color. And that's that one there. I hope you guys can see it. It's not like super pigmented. It leaves like a nice lavender color. I don't know if I would necessarily use this here on my face, but I think it would be really pretty here on the collarbone and, you know, that area. I think that would look really pretty there just because it is a colored highlighter. So I'm gonna grab something else. I'm gonna grab this one here. It is the Invisimatte blotting paper. Ooh, okay. How does this work? Oh, you get a little roll of paper and then you have a little tiny dispenser. So you're supposed to put the roll of the blotting paper in here, and it's pretty much like it's going to pretty much work like when you have like the wax paper for the kitchen or like the aluminum foil. You put it in and then you pull it out to dispense it, and then you cut it because it has the little tiny teeth looking thing. So you can cut it. So it's actually a pretty cool idea because you can pretty much cut it to whatever size you want. This is just a little tiny roll of the paper. So that is the third item. Up next, I'm going to grab this one here. This one, it is the Glass Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. And this one says Diamond Milk. Ooh, so it's the lip gloss. this is it there. So let me swatch it to see how much of the white actually comes off, or if it's just if it just goes on completely clear. I'm gonna swatch it here. Oh yeah, you can't see too much of the white. You can see a little bit, but it has a lot of shimmer. That I put it here on the top. It has a lot of shimmer that you really can't tell too much of the white part, but it's really pretty. I can't tell if it's the perfume or it's... Oh, it does smell fruity. It smells pretty good. So that is our 1, 2, 3, 4th item. We have our 5th item here. I'm gonna grab this one. And this is in Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter in the shade Trophy Wife. OMG. So this one, when it first came out, I remember everybody was like super obsessed with this one. I never, like I said, I never really purchased any of her products. But I know when this one came out, they were making such a huge deal because it's a really nice highlighter. So that is what the packaging looks like. And let me show you guys. I'm sure you've all seen it at Sephora or, you know, wherever else they sell these. But that is it there. That is a nice highlighter. That is really nice. And that is super soft. So that is it there on my finger. So this one is like super gold. I'm going to swatch it here on the top. Oh my God, that is so beautiful. That is it there. It is made up of like a bajillion little tiny glitters that shine so nice when you move it around. It looks really pretty. I hope you guys can see what I'm talking about. But this one is super duper nice. So I really am excited to try that one. And then the very last item from the box, it is this one here. We're getting a whole eyeshadow palette. This one is Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. Let me take it out so we can see the colors. Ooh, that is pretty. That is a really nice packaging. Ooh, those are really pretty colors. Especially these bottom ones. They are so pretty. Let me do some quick swatches of some colors. So I'm going to grab this one here. I'm going to put it here. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so that one. I'm going to grab, I'm going to grab one of these. So this one is like a metallic color. That one went on kind of patchy. Yeah, that one's not as good as this first one. I'm going to grab one of the gold ones from the bottom. Ooh, that is pretty. That is really pretty. It's very shimmery. And it goes on really pretty. So I really like that one. And then let me try the white one. Because I've never used a white eyeshadow. But that's what it looks like on my finger. Oh, okay. So you can barely see that. And it gives off more of a like a rosy kind of shift. Not so much white. It's kind of hard to show you guys, but not so much white. But still really pretty. Like that's a really nice lid color. So that with that one there, that is the very last item from the box. So really quick, let's see what the retail price is for the box or the items, and then the total value for the box. So Cindy, so the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter, this one here in Trophy Wife is $36. Then we have the, I think it's this one, Matchstick Shimmer Skin Stick. Matchsticks Shimmer Skin Stick. This one is $29. No, $25. The Moroccan Spice Eyeshadow Palette. This one here, this one is $29. Then we have the Glass Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. This one is $19. Then we have the Plush Matte Lipstick, the Mademoiselle. This one here, which was the blue lipstick. This one is $18. And the the blotting paper. This one is $16. So that is a total of $143 for this box. I heard that they were gonna do some type of collaboration with Fenty, you know, get some of the products in the box. I had no idea it was gonna be a full box of Fenty items. Now I'm actually kind of tempted of maybe making another video using all of the products, you know, to create a look, because we got a real good, like a lot of different products. So we did get 2 lip products, which is fine, but we have a highlight, or actually we have 2 highlighters, and we have the eyeshadow palette. So I might create a video of just, you know, using these products here, creating a look, especially because it would also be my very first time using the Fenty products. But I'm not too sure about that one yet. If I do go ahead and do it, you guys should see it up sometime after this one. But those were all the products Those were all the products from this box. Let me know what you guys think down below. I was surprised to see that they were all Fenty products. So it's not just 1 or 2. It was a full box of Fenty. But let me know what you guys think down below. Those were all the products from the box. So that is all from me for today. I will be back really soon with another unboxing. And I hope I will see all of you back here next time. Bye.